wants to kill me. Which, for someone who's paid to keep me alive, is more often than you think.